How do we shut down the inner critic that wants to keep us from moving forward in the things that God has for us? If you can name, this has been trying to shut me down, and then combat it, like replace the negative, fearful thoughts with replace it with something that is positive. Replace it with something that is affirming, something that will move you forward. So, for example, the I'm not good enough, imposter syndrome, I'm unworthy, that whole thing, I'm not smart enough. That type of inner critic that's constantly telling you you're not good enough, you can replace that with language that says, I am good enough. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. I am a masterpiece. I am intelligent. I am worthy. Like you can begin to use God's word to describe you. Like, what does God say about you? Like, who has He made you to be? I have the gifts to be able to make things happen. I have the gifts to be able to change the world. I have the gifts to be able to influence people to make good choices in their lives. I have the gift to heal. I have the gift to lift others up. Whatever your gifts are, you can begin to rehearse out loud what those gifts are that God has given you. In turn, it begins to shut down that negative inner critic that wants to tell you you're not worthy, and you're not worth it, and you're not good enough, and you're not whatever it's saying you're not. Because you are all of those things and then some. Part of our job when we hear these negative things in our ears telling us that we can't do something and we're not worthy to do something, or we don't have enough of something, we shut it down with what we do have and sometimes we've got to rehearse it enough until we begin to believe it, because what comes up out of our mouth sends a message to our brain